The name of Krishna is Chintamani. Means what? Huh? It yield all that one desires. All that we desire means what? Your material desires will become manifested. Your spiritual desires will all become manifested. All desires. That is the nature of the name. Fulfill all desires. So, if you are chanting, and we should know, Hare Prabhu is a person. All the mantras we are chanting, they are all persons. So, when you are talking to somebody, the person is hearing you. Right? So, we are chanting Hare Krishna mantra. He's hearing. What is he hearing? He's hearing what we have in mind in chanting in him. And he will respond to that. He will respond to that. I'm chanting seriously, but my mind is full of offenses. And then we'll respond to that. By chanting the holy name, seriously are chanting, but the mind dwells on sanctification. The name will respond to that. Chintamani, that's what it means. You are chanting the name, and you understand that the name is the Ram you are calling. The Ram you are calling. If you understand the Ram you are calling is Ramchandra Bhagwan, you go to Ayodhya. If you chant, you are thinking that it's Parashuram, you go to Vaikuntha. If you chant the holy name and you think the name you are chanting is Radha Raman, you go to Goloka. Whatever you have in mind, it will manifest. The mind will produce. Chintamani. Thus, to materialize, the name gives dharma, karma, artha, and moksha. If you are chanting and having this in mind, this is what we get. We remain here in the material world. The same name we are chanting, not two names. The same Hare Krishna mantra. It is Chintamani. Fulfilling all desires. So we can chant the name and go to Goloka. You can chant the name and go to Ayodhya. You can chant the name and go to Vaikuntha. You can chant the name and remain here in the material world. As you desire. Because don't forget, Nama Prabhu is a person. He's a person with feeling. He has feelings. He has activities. All the senses are working. Don't think that this is dumb matter. Dull matter. It is not. It's a person. He is a person with complete feelings. Good person. A person who can destroy our sins completely, make it zero, and uproot the seed of sin. That is Hare Krishna.